Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today as you can see, we're going to have another review. This is part 2 of my review for the VIP Cross Stitch store. And if they have any specials, any discount codes, or if I have any discount codes, it'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's get started. We're going to go with Crinkly Butt first. Alright, let me get this out of its crinkly bag. Alright, I am back. Is that not gorgeous? Well, come to my knowledge, this is a 14 count. Yeah, and it is a hurricane. It is 40 by 70, and it was $19.89. I couldn't read my own writing, but I thought it had some nice, interesting colors in it. I like the kimono and all the plum, or I think they're plum blossoms. They could be. But yeah, I just thought it was an interesting picture. Now this all comes on one piece of paper. So far I see no smudging or smearing. It does have, that's where I was going. Geez, could they make that any smaller? It does have the instructions on how to start, how to finish, connected with this. And it doesn't tell me how many stitches per stitch. So it looks like 352 by 187 maybe. Has 45 colors. Very well printed. But it is, I'm going to fold this in half just so I can bring it up to you. Very well printed. It is kind of small. And let's see what colors we have here. I see 310 black. We have 498, which is a brick red. No 550 purple. We have 666 red. No 823. We do have some 939. No 3371. Let me turn this over. And no 3865. So I don't know what they're going to use for a white. I'm not sure if you'd even need a white, so you may use some different color. So I don't know. I thought I'd try this because it was hurricane and it's 14 count. I think I have one other hurricane like that. So yeah, let's take a look at the colors. It does come with a toolkit. We have 5 needles, a needle, a thimble, and a needle threader. You know, that poof ball not being there just kind of throws my whole game off, because I've been saying that for a very long time. But I do like these little containers. They're nice for later use. These, for me, they're not worth anything, but I do use the needle threaders pretty much all the time. They're pretty invaluable. They're the greatest thing next to popcorn. In fact, I still have a bag. I bought 50 of them from Amazon probably 4 years ago. So I've still got some left. But they're nice, they're durable, and they work. Alright. Oh, I want to match. Hang on. Okay, product number here is 1470, 1470, and 1470, so that all matches. Let me put that up there, and let me get the threads out. Alright, so we have lots and lots of reds. Look at that dark green, isn't that beautiful? Mostly reds, oranges, kind of a creamy tan, kind of a salmon color, like a darker salmon color. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. And yet it does have some subdued parts to it. I like that green, that pale moss green. This is 902. That's another, brick red, only it's darker. I think it has a little more black in it. Some tans, browns, just beautiful, beautiful colors. So I'm anxious to see how this all comes about. Yeah, that is a wad of thread. So I don't know where they thought y'all needed all of that, but okay. See if I can get it back in the bag without the rubber band falling off. It fell off when I got a hold of it. All right. Nail that puppy down. Let's take a look at the canvas. Now, I like this material. I don't know why they stopped using it. But it feels rough on both sides. It's not smooth. But it crunches so nice. And this is very, very thin. Almost paper thinny. So I like that. I really, really do. And I swear this is so small. It is serged all the way around before I forget to do that. And I'm looking at the stitching. Stitching just barely grazes the bottom numbers. So that's nice. But the paper pattern will match the canvas. I don't see any smudging or smearing. It's just very small. So, I don't know. I'm just kind of out on a decision. Now, this part right in here is your, what do you call it? The plum blossoms. So, it's going to have more, excuse me, choked on my own spit. More confetti. But you do have your bigger parts, your bigger areas. So, very nicely done. Holy cow. Beautiful. Very nice. Let me see if I can measure this. I'm just checking it out to make sure that I tell you the right thing. Oh my goodness gracious. All right. It still doesn't tell me how many stitches per stitch. So, but that's okay. I think we nailed that. Okay. It is, a little over 69 centimeters or 27¼ inches by 39 centimeters or almost 15½ inches. Actual picture is 13 inches or 33 centimeters by 62, a little over 62½ centimeters, or about 24¼ inches. So, very nice. Very nice. I'm very well pleased with this. It's going to take you a hot moment to do that, but there's no back stitching, just straight cross stitching. So, it'll be different. You know, my opinion may or may not change of who can. I just, every once in a while, like to get one, see if they've improved or if it got worse or, you know. So, you never can tell. Now, this next one is 42 by 44. And it was $12.88. Wow. Huh. Okay. And it is 14 count, I think. Yep. I thought so. Comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. Let me flip that over. And this one is called Vegetable Store. Okay. We got a dog sitting on a bag of peanuts. We got a little birdhouse here. We got a scale. Got a little cart. We have mason jars. Yeah, it just had everything going for it. I hope this was never wet. But I think it's cute. And it's going to have tons of back stitching in it. Just saying for a friend. I think the background is all half cross stitch though. It is 185 by 200. And we have 2 sets of numbers. Oh, My goodness. We have 71 colors in full stitch. We have 10 colors in half stitch, 1 in French knot, and 3 in back stitch. Yeah, so a total of 74 total colors. Now, the key on this side goes to the paper pattern. The key on this side goes to the canvas. So, kind of liking the way they're doing that these days. Very nicely printed, very easy to see. So you can see the back stitching and all the produce. Well, that's like the edge of the building. Oh yeah, this ought to be just a real piece of work. Oh my goodness. Seriously, folks, did y'all have nothing else better to do that day but do the corn or whatever is standing up there? What is that? Oh, it's not up. It's not down. It's way up. It's all those leaves. Seriously? Okie dokie. But very nicely printed. You can see where everything is. And all the back stitching. Yeah, it'll take you a hot moment. It'll take me a hot moment just to back stitch. I mean, just to do the regular cross stitch. But I do think it's a pretty pattern. Just gorgeous. See what colors we have here. We have 310 black. We have 350, which is a new red to me, but they seem to be using it. They seem to keep using it here and there. No, 823. No, 939. There's no 3371. Can't tell what they've used for. I don't see 3865 or B5200 in that. So let's take a look at those colors instead of sitting there and guessing, right? You have 3 thread cards, 2 needles. It's on the good thread card telling you how many strands you have, DMC, and the thread card number. Let's pull this apart. Crunch that down. So, let's see. Did I get the number? Whoops. It's this way. 74 colors. Yep. Okay. So, I thought I had the beginning, not the end. So, we have reds and autumn colors. We have blues. That's kind of a raspberry color, right? Right there between my fingers. Lots of greens. Very, very nice. Browns. Now there is another red. It's kind of a brick red right here. Is 777. Beautiful. Beautiful colors. Lots of 310 black. Even have some burnt orange color. Very nice. Yeah, see, I thought that was more red. These two were more red. They're not. So I'm not even seeing any white. There is that off pinkish and that, and then maybe an off blue-gray, real pale. Yeah, those are the lightest colors that I see. So very nice. Let me flip this and put this up here. Let's take a look at that canvas. Oh my goodness. Of course it's serged all the way around because it's Joy Sunday. You expect no less. So it's kind of longer than it is wider. But it is very nicely printed along the bottom. I hope you're seeing that. All this up that way and across here is your full stitch. Then you have half stitch, French knot, and back stitch along the side. So let's turn it this way because it's just a little awkward. It is little over 44 centimeters, or almost 17.5 inches. So it's not too huge. And it is just a hair's breadth over 42 or almost 16 3/4 inches. Actual picture size is 34 centimeters or almost 13.5 inches by 36.5 centimeters or a little over 14 1/4 inches. And the back stitching is going to make this, so that's why you see lots of blobs, so to speak. You know, until you get that back stitching in, it's just not going to look like, I mean, it'll look like, sort of like the thing, but the back stitching is going to bring it out, is what I'm trying to say. Very nicely printed. Of course, it's Joy Sunday. It has never been wet, so yay! Very nice. Just very nice indeed. Lovely. Just lovely. Alright guys, that is all that I got from VIPCrossStitch. Thank you VIPCrossStitch for the lovely kits this week and the lovely kits last week. Oh, just fantastic. Thank you so much. Now, VIPCrossStitch has stitching only. They have beaded cross stitch, embroidery, and silk embroidery. They do not have diamond painting or diamond painting or paint by number. But they have lots and lots to choose from. They have tools and crafts for anything and everything that you would want to do. And I believe that they do custom as well. So do check them out. I'm sure that they'll be having sales probably through the first of the year. So we will see. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.